Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add block to your Editor X website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just click here on Add Elements on the left top corner, and then you're going to see like block here. So click on it and click Add to Site. When you're going to do it, it's going to prepare the layout for you. And right here you have like Wix blocks plus members area or just Wix block. I'm going to choose only Wix block. Let's click Next. And when you're going to do it, we see the block here. You can simply then, just when you're going to click on block, you can simply add RSS button and everything. And now when we got it, we can click on settings and manage the block. Like what is the display, what we want to show. Layout, what kind of layout we want. We can create this side by side if you want to. It's like better. Then we're going to see like the category feed here. Design, blog menu, the colors. Again, you can change everything. And now we can like create manage post or create a block, right? So when you're here, you just like can create a new post. And hey there, in this block, how to earn a day. And you just start writing everything. Then we like click settings, display cover image. I would upload media, upload from computer, then like choose, I don't know, baby Yoda here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Add to page. Then we got like SEO here that you can like edit the description. Categories are good, like food, lifestyle, travel, as they like recommend you. And then you have like tags here. Or you can also like sell subscription plans if you want to. So when you got it, and so free, then just publish it. And voila, here we have a like really good photo. Then you can like delete the blog post and everything. And now when we got it, let's just wait until it's going to load. No, I didn't showcase it. Manage post. Oh, I didn't save up. Nice. And here we got it. Perfect block for our website. So thank you very much everybody for watching. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Like these things are really simple to do. You can also arrange it if you want to. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.